YouTubians, whatever you call yourselves. No, this isn't a bench cleaning video, even though it'd take me a few seconds. I know, Danny, you love bench cleaning videos. I could clean benches for hours. I have some new stuff I got in the mail. I'm going to show you some shit. So, yeah. I'm going to bend the camera down. Actually, no, should I just move this out of the way? Move this out of the way first. I'll bend the camera down. I'll show you some goodies. I didn't even move the steel plate out of the way. So, here we go. Can we see? There we go. First on the agenda is bandsaw blades. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah. I bought some Starrett blades on Amazon. Why did I buy Starrett brand blades? Because, well, they are what, how many TPI, teeth per inch? 18 teeth per inch. You can see the little, how much juice they got on here. Starrett blades, made in, where is it? Made in Brazil. You know the Brazilians produce more than that white stuff. I'm not talking about snow either. So anyway, Starrett blades, you know, made in Brazil, because, you know, we can't make shit in America anymore, Canada or US. It's gotta be in some fucking country. So yeah, I bought that for the, this thing, for the bandsaw blade. Bandsaw. That's just a short little thing. I'm gonna put about 2 things in the video. The other thing I picked up was this thing. This is a arbor. It's a drill chuck for my my lathe. I think it's called a Morse taper on here. Made in China, of course. See, picked up this good little. I always see these people drilling holes on the lathe, but I got to figure out how to get that freaking thing out of there, because the little center thing I think is stuck in there. So yeah, not bad. I bought it from instead of one of those any old Chinese things. I bought it from, I think, the I read all the reviews, and it was from the AccuSize, because there's AccuSize. They make like kind of cheap Chinese tools, but they're a little bit better. They're a little bit better than totally cheap. So if you want like some, there's like bottom of the barrel, and there's like mid range. It's like mid range. It's not I think it was like $30. So yeah, that's it for that video. I'm gonna end it and start another one.